This is going to be a video tutorial on how to prevent websites from saving data on your device in the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser. I have the Brave web browser opened up now. To prevent websites from saving data on your device, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. Go up to the top, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to click on Site and Shield Settings. Then you'll scroll down to the bottom, down to where you see it says Additional Content Settings. You want to click on Additional Content Settings. That will expand the section, and then you'll scroll down further and you want to click on On-Device Site Data. On-Device Site Data. And up top here it says, a site you visit can save info about what you're doing so that it works as expected. For example, to keep you signed into a site or to save items in your shopping cart, often sites save this info temporarily on your device. The default behavior, sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. By default, the top one is probably toggled on. Allow sites to save data on your device. If you toggle on the middle one, this is for delete data sites have saved on your device when your device closes. When you close your browser, all data that the websites have saved on your device will be erased. The bottom option, don't allow sites to save data on your device. If you toggle this bottom one on, it won't allow websites to save data on your device. Down below that, you have customized behaviors. Like if you wanted to allow websites to save data on your device, this bottom one down here, you could click the add button next to the bottom one. The bottom one says not allowed to save data on your device. You could add a website's URL in here and that website won't be able to save data on your device. But overall, the main things right up top here, your default behavior. And you would toggle on this bottom one here to prevent websites from saving data to your device. A little pop-up will pop up asking you sites you visit may stop working as designed. You click on Turn Off. That is how to prevent websites from saving data to your device in the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.